The Lexus LS Six-Wheel Concept is one of the most unconventional luxury vehicle designs we've seen recently. Starting with the positives, the six-wheel layout could provide better weight distribution and improved ride comfort, especially for a large VIP-focused vehicle. The extended body also creates a limousine-like cabin with significantly more passenger space. Inside, the minimalist, lounge-inspired interior emphasizes comfort, luxury, and a futuristic travel experience. However, there are some potential drawbacks. A six-wheel configuration increases complexity, maintenance costs, and overall vehicle weight. More wheels also mean higher tire replacement expenses over time. The oversized body may reduce maneuverability in urban environments and make parking challenging. From a manufacturing perspective, the design could be expensive to produce, limiting its appeal to a very niche market. Another concern is practicality. While the futuristic styling attracts attention, some design elements may sacrifice visibility, cargo flexibility, and everyday usability. Overall, this Lexus LS concept explores what ultra-luxury transportation could look like in the future.